Let me show you how to quickly expand expressions of that sort using Pascal's triangle. This whole thing is called Pascal's triangle. It has a trick. You just have to, for power 0 it is 1, for power 1 it is 1, 1. You just have to place 1 at both ends, even up to any power of your choice. You just have to place 1 at both ends. And then here, you add 2 numbers at the top to get the 1 at the middle. That is 1 plus 1, you have 2. That is 1, 2, 1. For power 3, 1 plus 2, you have 3. 2 plus 1, you have 3. You have 1, 1. For power 4, you can do that, right? Just place 1 at the edges. 1 plus 3, you have 4. 3 plus 3, you have 6. 3 plus 1, you have 4. So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. These make up the coefficients. So what I'm going to do now is, this one is my first term, and this one is my second term. So what I'm going to do is to arrange the first term to be in descending order rather. That is, I'm going to write s, because the power is 3, x cubed, x squared, x raised to power 1, which is x, and x raised to power 0. That is for the first term. For the second term, it will now be in ascending order. So 1 raised to power 0, 1 raised to power 1, 1 raised to power 2, and 1 raised to power 3. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to, remember we are going to use this one. Why? Because it was raised to power of 3. So for power 3. So I'm going to multiply the coefficient by x raised to power 3 and 1 raised to power 0. This is what I mean. 1 times x raised to power 3 times 1 raised to power 0 plus 3 times x raised to power 2, 1 raised to power 1. Right? Like that. Plus 3 times x times 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 times x raised to power 0 and 1 raised to power 3, like that. So upon simplification, you will get that x raised to power 3, any number raised to power 0 is that same number. So 1 raised to power 0 is 1 times 1, 1. So we have x raised to power 3 plus, this is still 1 times 3, 3. So plus 3x squared plus, this is still 1, plus 3x plus x raised to power 0 is 1 times 1, 1 plus 1. So x plus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Tap the follow button for more videos.